Want to turn your brand's identity into wearable fashion? Our factory specializes in high-impact logo socks that help businesses boost visibility and customer loyalty. Whether you're creating swag for events, launching a merch line, or branding retail products, we turn your logo into stylish, high-quality socks. Choose from various styles: athletic, casual, eco, or luxury, and customize every element. Our design team ensures your logo looks bold and beautiful with sharp colors, perfect positioning, and seamless integration into your overall branding. Add-ons like woven tags, hangers, and personalized packaging complete the premium look. Even for small orders, we deliver big results. With fast turnaround times and low MOQs, startups and small businesses can compete with the biggest brands. Every order comes with full support, from mock-ups to packaging consultations, so your brand looks polished from unboxing to first wear. Let your socks do the talking. Your logo, your message, your story. Worn proudly, delivered globally.